So class, our next topic is multiplication of fraction. So rule number 1 says that if we have to multiply two fraction, then we have to multiply their numerator and we have to multiply their denominator. For example, a by b and c by d are the two fractions. So what we have done, we have just multiplied their numerator and multiplied their denominator. This is our required result. Now, based on this rule, we have solved some of the questions from exercise 2b and remaining question I have given you in homework. Let us see how I solve these questions. Question number 1 is find the product of, there are two fractions 3 by 5 and 7 by 11. So what I have done, I have just multiplied numerator 3 into 7 and denominator 5 into 11. What is the final answer? 21 by 55. 21 by 55 is the final result. Next is, you have to simplify this. Three fractions are multiplied, 2 by 3, 5 by 44 and 33 by 55. So whenever there is three fractions, then whatever be the number is getting cancelled, you just cancelled out. जो भी नंबर ऊपर और नीचे कट रहे हैं एक दूसरे से, उनको आपको क्या करना है, काटना है. So here 2 is cancelled out. यहाँ we will get 2 2 4. So finally we get 1 by 22 as the answer. Next is question number 3. Question number 3 is 1 by 3 of 24. You have to find the value of 1 by 3 of 24. So of signifies the multiplication sign. So in the next step I have replaced of by multiplication. 1 by 3 of into 24. 3 and 24 will be cancelled out and 8 is the answer. Next is 1 by 6 of an hour. All of you, we know that 1 hour is having 60 minutes. So in place of hour, I have just written 1 by 6. Off will be replaced by multiplication sign and hour is replaced by 60 minutes. So 6 10 ja 60. So what is the answer? 10 minutes. Next I have solved 14th part. 3 by 7th of a week. You have to find 3 by 7th of a week. As we all know, 1 week is having 7 days. So I have written multiplication sign in place of and number of days a week having, I have written in place of week. 7 and 7 will get cancelled off and we will get 3 as answer. Question number 5th. 4th you have to solve it by yourself. I have done. Question number 5. Cloth is being sold at rupees 42 1 by 2 per meter. That means this is a language problem. First, a cloth is sold at a rate 1 meter, cost is 42 1 by 2 meter. So then you have to find the cost of 5 3 by 5 meter of the cloth. So you have already learned unitary method in class 6th and 7th. So I have written cost of 1 meter of cloth is 42 1 by 2. This 42 1 by 2 is converted into normal fraction because it is present in mixed fraction. So what we get? 85 by 85 by 2. In the next step, you have to find the cost of how many meters? 5 3 by 5 meters. So 85 by 2 is multiplied by 5 3 by 5 meter and we will get answer as 238 rupees. So what is the cost of 5 3 by 5 meter? 238 rupees. This is the final answer. Next question is also a language problem. 9 boards are stacked on top of each other. There are 9 boards. You all of you have seen boards, cardboard. Here it is talking of cardboard. So cardboard is having certain thickness. So it has been given the thickness of each board. हर एक बोर्ड की मोटाई आपको दे रखी है कितनी? 2 by 3 centimeter. So you have to find how high is the stack. आपको ये पता लगाना है कि जो ये 9 बोर्ड्स एक के ऊपर एक रखे हुए हैं उनकी थिकनेस कितनी है. What is the total height? So what I have done, thickness of each board is given 3 2 by 3 meter. This is given in mixed fraction. I have converted it into normal fraction. Thickness of one board is given as 11 by 3 meter, and therefore thickness of 9 board will be equal to 11 by 3 multiply by 9. That will give 33 meter. So what is the thickness of 9 board? 33 meter. So this 33 meter will be the total height of the stack. Next, I have solved question number 13. Sapna earns rupees 24,000 per month. What is the salary of Sapna in 1 month? 24,000. She spends 7 by 8 of her income deposit सी स्पेंड, मतलब वो 7 by 8 अपनी इनकम को का खर्च कर देती है, एंड डिपॉजिट रेस्ट ऑफ द मनी इन बैंक, और बाकी जो बचा हुआ पैसा है वो किस में सेव करती है? बैंक में. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड हाउ मच मनी डज शी डिपॉजिट इन बैंक. अब आपको ये बताना है कि उसने बैंक में कितना पैसा जो है जमा किया है. नाउ सोल्यूशन पार्ट. टोटल इनकम पर मंथ of Sapna is 24,000. Amount spent. How much amount is spent? 7 by 8 of 24,000. 7 by 8 of is just multiplication sign. 7 by 8 of 24,000 करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? रुपीज़ 21,000. Then you have remaining amount will be 24,000 minus 21,000. That will give 3,000 as the required answer. So this is the completion of multiplication of fractions. In the next topic we will learn the division of fraction. It is also a small topic. We will cover this topic in next lecture.